So now let us see today the part 4. So we'll continue with the exercise. So Harsh deposited rupees 5120 in a bank paying interest at a rate of 6 integers 1 by 4 percentage per annum. Find the compound interest due to him at the end of 2 years. So get the given things, that is this is given, which is the principal. This is the rate of interest R, 6 integers 1 by 4. So we can also 1 by 4 is going to be 0.25. So that we can write here 6.25%. So for the easy calculation, t is equal to 2 years, that is given. So we have to find the compound interest. So for finding out the compound interest, first we have to find out the amount. So this is the formula which you have to remember. So the principal is 5120, one as it is. This is 6.25 divided by 100, and this n, that is the number of years, which is 2. So this will be here, the LCM will be 100. So this will be 106.25. So this is 5120. This will be multiplied twice. So after simplifying, you can just see, you can do it as you wish. So that is going to be 5780. So the amount is 5780. So we want here the compound interest. So the compound interest is amount minus the principal. So the amount is 5780 and the principal is given here as 5120. So the compound interest, that is CI, that is rupees 660. Mohit invests rupees 7290 at 11 integers 1 by 9% per annum. What will be the compound interest at the end of 3 years? This is also the similar type. So here it will be 7290. This will be 11 integers 1 by 9. We can also write this as the mixed fraction. So this is going to be 99 plus 1 will be 100 divided by 9 percentage. So this t is 3 years. So again use the same formula for the amount because we want a compound interest. So here will be 100 by 9 divided by 100. So you see here, I'll show you this because many of them get confused with this 9 into 100. So now see here, for R, this is 100 by 9 and divided by 100. So what will happen, say this is the numerator and this is the denominator. So 100 by 9 and this denominator means here will be 1. So this is going to get flip over. So this will be 1 by 100. So then you can also write here 100 by 900, or this and this you can cut it and directly write here 1 by 9. So this is 9 into 100 written over here and then later on cut it, or you can do it roughly and directly write here 1 by 9. So this is will be, here will be, now you have 9. So this will be 9 plus 1, that is going to be 10 by 9. So that should be multiplied 3 times. So after simplifying, we get this as 10,000. So we want the compound interest, which will be 10,000 minus the principal is 7290, which will be rupees 2710. Find the difference between the compound interest and simple interest on rupees 12,000 for 2 years at 5% per annum compounded annually. So the principal is given as 12,000. The rate of interest, that is the 5%, and the t, that is 2 years. So for the simple interest, we have the formula, that is P into R into T by 100. So this will be 12,000 into 5 into 2 by 100, which will be 1200. So now we want the difference between the compound interest and the simple interest. So directly we cannot find out the compound interest as you have seen earlier. So we have to find out first the amount. So the simple interest is done here. So we'll see the amount. This formula we are going to use it. So this is going to be, principal is 12,000, 1 plus rate of interest, that is 5 by 100 raised to 2. So this what we can do, we can also simplify this one. 5 ones are 5, 20s are. So now here the LCM is going to be 20. So that will be 20 plus 1, which will be 21 by 20 raised to 2. So this will be multiplied 2 times. So after simplifying, we get 13,230 as the amount. So now we will find out the compound interest. So that will be amount minus principal. So this we have amount as 13,230 minus the principal is 12,000. So The compound interest is 1230. So now we have to find out, they have asked to find out the difference between the compound interest and the simple interest. So this difference will be compound interest minus simple interest. So compound interest, we have this as 1230, and the simple interest, that is, we got here as 1200. So the difference is rupees 30. Here again the same, find the difference between the compound interest and simple interest. For rupees here 7,500 for 2 years at the rate of 8% per annum. It's the same. So I haven't done this one. Only the given things are written here. You can just refer for the previous problem. It's the same, only the principal and the rate of interest and this number of years is different. Rest everything is the same. Find the amount in compound interest for rupees 7,500 for 1 year at 8% per annum, and it is compounded half yearly. So here, just see here, this is not annually but half yearly. So I will show you how to do this part. So the principal is 7,500. Rate of interest is given as 8% per annum. So we want it is compounded half yearly. So half yearly will be, this is per annum, means this is for year, per year. So half is going to be 4%, and it is for 1 year. So this is 1 year, means that will be half yearly if you do it. So it will be twice in a year. So this is going to be 2. So these two things are very important. Rest everything is the same. So just be careful with this two thing. You have to do it for half yearly. So the formula is going to be the same, 7,500. 1 plus, so you're not going to write here 8, but because it is half yearly, you're going to write here 4. This is divided by 100. Again here, you're not going to write 1, but you are going to write here 2. So this is the important step again. So 7,500. So this will be simplified. 4 ones are 4, 25s are. So the LCM is going to be 25. So 25 plus 1, that will be 26 by 25. So this you are going to multiply it twice. So you get this as 8112. So now we got the amount. Now we have to find out the compound interest. So compound interest is amount minus principal. So amount we got as 8112 minus principal is 7,500. So the compound interest is 612. Find the amount for rupees 24,000 at 10% per annum for year is 18 months if the interest is compounded semi-annually. That is same as this was, the wording was half yearly, and this is semi-annually. It's the same as half yearly. So here the principal is 24,000. The rate is 10%. That is given as per annum. For 1 year, that is 10%. So semi-annually means that is the half of it. That is nothing but the half yearly. That is 5%. And N is given as 18 months. So 1 year we have 12 months. So here will be, this is twice. If we are doing it semi-annually, this will be 2 times. And again you need 6 months. 6 months will be 1. So that is going to be 3 half years. So again, this is the important step. So instead of this 18, we are going to write here 3 half years, and here we are going to write here 5%. Rest all is the same. So amount here, this formula, what you have to remember, this is 24,000, 1 plus R, we got this as 5 divided by 100, and the rest 2 here, this will be 3. So here will be 5 ones are 5 20s are, that will be 20 plus 1 will be 21 by 20. So this you are going to multiply it 3 times. So after simplifying, we get is 27,783. Just they have asked for the amount. So we are going to stop at this step. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.